Airbnb versus home, Komffy Maids' unique cleaning touch. In the world of short-term rentals and private residences, the battle between Airbnb and home is fierce. But fear not, because Komffy Maids brings a touch of excellence that stands out in every scenario. For Airbnb hosts, professional presentation. Impress your guests with a spotless space that exceeds their expectations, thanks to our specialized cleaning services. Quick turnaround. With Komffy Maids, you can accommodate new guests promptly, ensuring a seamless transition and top-notch experiences for your visitors. Customized cleaning plans. Every Airbnb property is unique, and so are our cleaning plans. Tailored to your needs, we leave no corner untouched, guaranteeing 5-star reviews. For homeowners, personalized cleaning solutions. Your home, your rules. Komffy Maids delivers personalized cleaning solutions that match your lifestyle, ensuring your sanctuary remains a haven of comfort and cleanliness. Flexible scheduling. Your schedule, your way. We offer flexible cleaning services that adapt to your preferences, providing a hassle-free experience so you can focus on what matters most. Trustworthy and reliable. Komffy Maids brings a reputation for trustworthiness and reliability. Our skilled professionals treat your home with the utmost care, ensuring a consistent level of excellence with every visit. Are you ready to transform your living space into a sanctuary of? Book Komffy Maids now.